Area Sales Manager for Weil Technology.
Hello, my name is Hermann. I'm Area Sales Manager at Weil Technology.
Hello, my name is Harald Liepert. I'm responsible for development of e-mobility at Weil Technology.
I would like to introduce to you our production solutions for sheet metal assemblies. We are building machines such as a flexible laser cell, a universal machine for laser cutting and welding, or modular laser cells for customized solutions, as well as modules called laser welding modules interlinked in a large production line for minimum cycle time.
Welcome on EuroBLECH 2022. This year we have a very special topic on our booth, and this is related to flexible solutions for production of water heater tanks. Our solution is dedicated for producers with a medium up to high volume production, and the main benefits you can expect from our solution is reduction of labor costs, reduction of energy costs, and also a scrap reduction. Looking forward to talk to you.
Today at our booth at the EuroBLECH Hannover, we're going to show you the applications for laser welding and cutting of metallic bipolar plates and laser welding of battery modules and cell contacting. Therefore, we have machine technologies for series production with our innovative scanner and remote welding technology.